Si Mouse po ay aming producer, writer ng Get Real before at ngayon ay Keeping It Real.
Yeah, for over 13 years.
Yeah, right.
And so we're excited to show his story and how we helped him.
This whole investment thing started with me, my sister, my brother, and my dad. And we put in $5,000 each. So we had $20,000 and we bought this really small apartment in San Ramon. At some point, parang give up na yung isang kapatid ko kasi we kept making mistakes. It was just one mistake after another.
From that initial investment, Mouse and his partner sold 2 properties, each time paying capital gains tax. Their third investment, a brand new property in Brentwood, California, quickly became problematic.
Ngayon, itong bagong bahay na to, although maganda siya, gusto namin siya, nalulugi naman kami ng $200 every month. So, at this point, parang I have been the writer and producer of Robin Ning for a few years na. And of course, through them, I have learned a few things about real estate. I knew I had to do something. It was wrong to hold on to this one house because nalulugi kami ng $200 a month. And that's when they said, why don't you move to Vegas?
Rob and Ning have always believed in Las Vegas as a solid market for investors. And this time, the duo taught Mouse to buy a property through a program called 1031 Exchange. A 1031 Exchange allows an investor to swap out an investment property for another and defer capital gains tax that the investor would otherwise have to pay at the time of sale.
I listened to their advice, and with a lot of hand-holding, they brought me to Las Vegas. We bought an existing home. Happily, for the first time in our investment career, kumikita na kami every month. So we were happy for a while until things started to break down. Kung ano-ano na yung nasisira dyan. So tumakbo na naman ako kina Robin Ning. Sinabi ko, what do I do with this house? It's 20 plus years old and kung ano-ano na yung nasisira. So they did some pencil pushing and they realized na parang, now I have enough money to actually invest on a new home. Tamang-tama, in North Las Vegas, there was a lot of construction going on. So I was able to buy this new home through 1031 Exchange. Yun talaga na simulat sa pulpa na natutunan ko na kina Robin Ning, maganda at very powerful investment tool ang 1031 Exchange.
Having successfully used 1031 Exchange twice, Mouse has seen their investment grow substantially, giving him the confidence to continue investing in Las Vegas.
I'm just very glad that I've always had Robin Ning, by my side. I may not have a lot of resources, but I think what I have is even more powerful because I have the wisdom of Robin Ning, to help me through all these years. Even though pipitsuging investor lang ako, I guess doon ako sinwerte. Hindi ako sinwerte sa mga bahay ko. Sinwerte ako that I have Robin Ning by my side.
Yes po, if you have a property na hindi naman siya nagka-cash flow or kasi pwede naman po na yung from one property, manganak siya ng dalawa pang property from that investment. There's a lot of ways na pwede po nating i-improve yung ating investment properties para lumago because that is the intention of investing in real estate.
Yeah, in fact, if you want to see exactly how to do that, give us a call at 888-860-9530 or you can visit us online.
Or go to our website po and schedule yourself for a free consultation with either Robert or Ning or visit our Facebook page, Get Real with Robin Ning.